Malai and Chapati Face Mask. DIY for dry, dull skin. Hey there everyone, welcome to Skincare with Shweta. Summers have done quite a number on most of us, and the early wrinkles, sunspots and freckles are proof of the damage our skin has had to bear all these years. Given the coronavirus pandemic, most of us are wary of heading outdoors to get our usual grooming sessions done, but thankfully we have all become quite self-sufficient since the lockdown was first announced. One easy DIY solution to hydrate and replenish your skin is a face mask. It's unique but very beneficial for dull and dry skin. Let's get started. You will need ingredients: malai or cream, turmeric, rose water and chapati, tortilla. Yes, you heard it right. It has some benefits for your skin. Grind a stale chapati into a fine powder. Add 1 tablespoon of malai cream, a pinch of turmeric and half a teaspoon of rose water. Mix all the ingredients together till you get paste-like consistency. Massage it into skin for about 10 minutes before washing. Be pleasantly surprised with the results. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and give your suggestions in comment box. Until then, take care. Bye.